So the Uber ride cost me about $3 from the hotel. It's only about 4 miles. And that's the comfort, because you know your boy got to ride in style out here in the 99 Corolla. But you know what though? These Uber drivers are good sources of information. And he told me that this area is relatively safe for tourists. He said it's a lot safer inside the Mercado, so I'm gonna hurry up and get my ass in here. And the Central Market is right in the middle of the city, and I heard you don't get a lot of tourists down here. But what's really, really cool about this place is that it's built underground. There's 3 subterranean levels. So let's get in here real quick and check it out.
So este es pepino verde y este es pepino también. ¿Es de pero es dulce como fruta? Sí. Por el zapote se tiene que cocinar, ¿verdad? ¿No? Oh, ok. Sí, agarra un pedazo. O sea, gracias.
¿Cómo se llama? Persimón.
No es como, casi como pepino, pero dulce, un poco amargo casi, ¿verdad?
No. Cuando está un poquito más dulce, más maduro es más dulce. Entonces me dijo,
¿Y este se llama zapote?
ese es chico.
¿Cómo se llama?
Chico.
Chico.
Lo tienes bien cuidado, lo tienes bien protegido, tienes
Strange.
una cerca
Bien extraño.
alrededor de él,
Bien extraño, no creo que ha probado otra fruta así. Es la primera vez que pruebo una fruta que tenga ese sabor.
Eso es lo que yo quiero que en este momento
Aquí en Guatemala me gusta mucho este chico. Estamos probando el chico.
El chico.
Este grande zapote.
Es como sweet potato almost, a little grainy.
Parecido, pero este es casi.
Never tried anything like that before. Sweet. Almost like a sweet potato.
va a venir por pocos
¿Qué son esos como tés o
por cuanto no quieren tener a Dios en su nombre.
para qué se usa, para medicinal o esa
Ellos endurecen su corazón.
medicinas? ¿Y cuál es este?
Son indiferentes. A otros no les
¿Este es
interesa.
para los tiempos?
No, es
Otros están acomodados. Ese es el peligro, la
Fruta, verdura, y pera, y kiwi.
que el dueño de la tierra, que
Qué bonito los hongos también, toda la fruta, los vegetales bien. Y este es camote que está aquí, rojo que está aquí. Es camote por diferente color. ¿Y este que está aquí? Chimpa. Chimpa.
¿Qué está, mi amor? Brócoli. Están a 12 la libra, pero la piedrina.
Naranja con... ¿Y se come la piel?
Sí, todo se come.
¿Sí? ¿Cuánto es?
20.
20, ok. O sea... ¿Oh, y esta?
Esa le vale 35.
¿Pero qué es?
Es calidad de membrillo.
No sé. No. Everything's so strange. I have no idea what most of this stuff is. And when I ask, they tell me names that I don't recognize.
And I came across a few of these restaurants that have these sort of stalls that separate you from other people. Maybe it was something that was left over from COVID or who knows. But it looks interesting. There's something like a tostada tortilla with lettuce on top and a bunch of other toppings like cheese and beets, I think. Check out this unrefrigerated cheese right here. It's probably really good. I'm just afraid to try it. On the lower levels, they had a lot of artisanal wood and clay works. It seemed to be a lot of planters and vases, however you say it. Garden decorations maybe, like gnomes and mushrooms. And there was also a lot of people selling figurines, and those seem to be religious maybe, I'm not sure. But this is a really big place and there's a lot of locals here. And what I hear is that the prices are a lot less than Antigua or any other tourist hotspots. Definitely a lot of interesting souvenirs. So on the last floor, there was a lot of just regular clothing, but there was also traditional indigenous clothing, you know, the stuff with the patterns. Yeah, pretty cool. Shoes, purses, bags. And they even had a section that was all leather goods, and it was really good quality too. Hey, what's up, guy? Man, I swear we must have been the only two tourists in here. I lost her for a sec, but she caught up with me. But the food court was bustling, man. Everybody was here. And I knew I wanted to eat something in the Central Market because this is it. I mean, it's not like a restaurant trying to cater to tourists. This is real. This is authentic. This is what people eat here. And there's so many choices. There's so many places to eat in this food court. Everybody's doing something a little bit different. I'm not sure if my Uruguayan companion here was filming a YouTube video. I didn't ask, but she did a much better job than I did at asking about the food and all that.
Revolcado. Es la cabeza del marrano picada en sal.
Cabeza de marrano que cabeza de chancho. Después.
Esta es hilacha, esta es carne deshilada.
¿Y de carne de qué?
De res.
Carne de res.
Carne de res. Acá está el pepián.
And the lady doesn't normally do this, but she hooked me up with a 4-course taster. Not sure which one's which, but one of them was hilachas, which is shredded beef and salsa. The other one was pepián, which is ridiculous. I don't even know. It's crazy. Everything had a smoky flavor to it, by the way. And the last one was a seafood stew with a snail in it. All of it 100% f***ing delicious. And it only cost 12 bucks, 100 quetzales. Hey guys, I really appreciate you watching the video. Please subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers. Like the video, comment, share it. And if you have any suggestions on how I can make this better or where you want me to travel to, please comment. I'm planning on doing a lot more traveling this year, so yeah, appreciate it. Catch you on the next. Peace.